Hello, if you wanna change lock method on the HTC Desire 19 Plus, of course you have to go to the settings. And now you have to click on the security and location. And as you can see, currently is set up the swipe. So we can change it on the none and now set up it again for the pattern. Click yes and now draw your pattern. Next we have to confirm, so draw it again. And we can also change the settings for the notifications, so I will go with don't show notifications at all. And now when we lock our screen, we have to use our pattern to unlock device. So, thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.